Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber and new supporter, my name is Modoni Karaoke. Thank you so much for joining me. This is a channel where we talk about food and travel, but mostly food and a lot of food. We eat food, we make food, we enjoy food, we talk about food, anything food. This is the place. If you like food, if you love food, of course everyone does, this is a channel for you. So subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time that I post. But if you're a regular supporter, someone who's been here since day one, I thank you so much for your continuous love and support. And for today's video, we'll be making steak. Let me tell you something. I've never been a meat, especially a red meat type of person, but once I started personally making it for myself, especially steak, oh my god. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make it and also tips and tricks on how to make the perfect steak. So let's go. So for our ingredients, we have, this is our steak. We have some butter, rosemary, this is fresh rosemary. We have crushed garlic, this is some thyme, some salt, ajinomoto, black pepper, and eventually olive oil. So those are ingredients. So let's start marinating.
Look at that beauty. Tell me this doesn't look delicious. Oh my God. And I like my steak medium rare, almost at well done, but not really there. But if you want yours well done, you can just add butter to it and leave it on the fire a little bit longer. So thank you so much guys for watching, for sticking till the end. If you tried this recipe or will try it, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your family. It really supports my channel. Till next time guys, bye bye.